Check this out. Using Justify Content, we space everything perfectly across the navbar. Clean, simple, and well-aligned. We start with the title, Justify Content, focusing on how alignment works in Flexbox. Inside the body, we create a simple navigation bar with a logo called Pizza Hub and some links. We group the links together using anchor tags for menu, offers, and contact. To structure everything, we wrap them inside a container div. Using Flexbox, Justify Content helps us space the logo and links apart, creating a clean and balanced layout. And finally, we link our CSS using the link tag to apply all the styling. Now, let's style the layout using CSS. First, we target the navigation container and apply Flexbox using Display Flex. We use Justify Content to space the logo and links apart, pushing them to opposite sides for a clean layout. We also add padding and set a bright orange background to give it that bold pizza brand look. Next, we style the links, removing the default underline, setting the text color to white, and adding spacing between them. Finally, we style the logo text, making it bold and white so it stands out clearly. This creates a simple, clean, and well-aligned navbar using Flexbox. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more simple web tips.